Hey YouTube, SJ here, and I've got a box to unbox, and it's the Maria Sharapova LA Nike Cortez. Let's get to it. Yo YouTube, SJ, and I'm back. Let's get to the unboxing of the Maria Sharapova LA Nike Cortez. Gonna speed up about now. Oh, there we go, there we go, guys. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, so people of YouTube out there, this release dropped 2 weeks ago, I believe, and it only dropped in the US. And if you were lucky enough to be in LA, you could have gone to the Growth Nike store and actually met Maria Sharapova. These were only actually sold, let's get it out, in Nordstrom, Nike, I think that was it. Am I right, Mr. B? And they were only stocked in, as I said, Nordstrom stores, LA, Grove, Melrose Place, Nike, and I think that was actually it. So let's get to it. We have a very small red and white Nike box. And for all you code geeks out there, these are the Women's Classic Cortez Prem, short for Premiere, I guess. They are a US 8.5, a UK 6. The colour is particular beige / particular beige. Okay. En français, beige particulier. And the code number is AR5696202. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get to it. So obviously Maria Sharapova has had a bit of controversy recently and hasn't been at the top of her tennis game for a while. But I do like her style. Since she's been living in LA, she dresses more like I would dress if I lived in LA. So that is why I really liked these. So let's take a look. So these are actually inspired by her lifestyle and colours of LA. These are so nice, Mr. B. They are so nice. Look at these. Okay, let's get the box out of the way because I always get told off for leaving the box out. So these are, they're well nice. A few marks on them. So they're like a real dusty pink. Picking this up on sneaker cam. Not really, not quite. So they're a really nice dusty pink colour. Then they're finished. Now I know it said beige. We'll go up to you camera too. You've been neglected. I know it said beige on the box, but this is more like a golden khaki colour. Then you've got the Nike on the back there, on the heel in gold. Now on the laces, they're also a dusty pink up on sneaker cam number 2. And you've got the gold Cortez tag and the gold Nike. Now inside, I'm not going to take the insoles out. Let's take the paper out. Inside, they're almost like the insole is kind of like almost like velour. And it actually says LA Cortez in there. You can see that? You can see that? If you can see that. So it's a really nice pink, and it's a really soft leather. It's not as soft as the deconstructed blazers that I have, but it almost has that sort of feel to it where it is so soft, and as I'm touching it, I can feel it move. And unfortunately, on this one, and I'm not sure whether sneaker cam can pick this up, it has got some marks there, which is slightly irritating. But these are a really nice shoe, and I'm really pleased that I got them. Now, I'm a little bit concerned that they're not going to fit. They should do, because they're exactly the same size as my Nike Cortez ALCs. But my Nike Cortez in the Oregon colorway, which again, same size, they are really quite small on the sizing. So I really do hope these are going to fit. I mean, they are a super nice shoe, and I actually like, if you're picking this up on the camera, the way that the swoosh, it's not stitched in, it's kind of embossed into the leather, and it just looks really nice on the silhouette. I mean, again, constantly moaning about the weather on this channel at the moment, but it is snowing outside, so these aren't going to get worn for a while. I've got to say, quality-wise, these really aren't great. When I look inside, like on the back here, where the inner is, which is made of this sort of shiny material, there's like almost some tears in there already. Quality-wise, I'm a bit disappointed, and out of all of the shoes we've bought this year, these are the worst quality that have come out, which is such a shame because that leather is really nice, and maybe all of these little marks and imperfections are down to the fact that the leather is so nice and it's so soft. A little bit disappointed. So I've got a nice sort of off-white, don't like to use those two words on this channel, sole with the sort of chevron effect. But yeah, these are a nice pair of Cortez. I was recently in Hairdressers and reading Grazia magazine, a magazine that I'm not a huge fan of, I have to say. And there was a little snippet that had Cortez on the going down section, but sorry Grazia, you obviously haven't been keeping an eye on the Cortez. The ALC collection and these, super nice. I mean, that is a nice clean shoe, minus the slight imperfections. So what do we think? Mr. B on Sneaker Cam, are you liking these? Is that a yes? That is a yes. Again, it's another pair of pink shoes. I've now got two pairs of pink shoes. That's not like me at all. I may have to buy some new clothes to go with all my pink shoes. But again, these remind me of my ballet shoes when I was little. They are really almost ballerina-like, particularly if they'd had the extra long ALC style laces that would go up around my ankles. But yeah, I like these. I like these a lot. And we will get an on-feet of these out in the next few days as well. So YouTube, if you haven't already and you like what we're doing here, give us the old thumbs up and don't forget to hit the old subscribe button, which is somewhere about there. Also, we're getting into a real flow now with our content. So we are uploading content on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Then we are streaming on Sundays. So our Sneaker Sunday streaming is still going on, and lots of comments and lots of interaction recently from you guys, which has been lots of fun. So come along and say hello. And we stream here on YouTube, 8 p.m. GMT. Oh, the clocks have changed. So it is America. Have you gone forwards or backwards? Mr. B, is it 1 hour forward or 1 hour backwards? It's 1 hour forward. So for the next 2 weeks, American friend, we will be streaming at 1 p.m. East Coast time. No, I'm getting... America, you've totally confused me because you've gone into daylight saving 2 weeks before us in the UK. This happened when we lived there as well. Totally threw me off. So we will be streaming at 1 p.m. West Coast time, 4 p.m. on the East Coast. So come along and join us for lots of sneaker chat and fun, and looking at the news this week and what we haven't been able to buy yet again. Anyway, YouTube, over and out. See ya!